What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Mazda Mx5 Miata's remote right here, and today I'm going to show you to open it up to change the battery. Okay, so right here on the left side of the remote, you see that it has the buttons. Then you have the side here that has the Mazda sign on it, and you have a side that has nothing on it. Well, we're going to remove this panel here that has the Mazda side on it. Okay, the battery's going to be located underneath that. To get it off, we're basically just going to pry it off. Okay, we're going to pop it off. So I'm going to use a screwdriver here. This is a really small flathead. You're going to need a really small one so you don't damage the remote at all. Okay, but I'm just going to pick this corner right here, try to get underneath it, and just pry this panel right off. It just pops right off. Okay, once we have it off, notice right here that the remote says CR2032. That is the size of the battery. Okay, we're going to remove this panel here, use a flathead screwdriver. We're going to go at it right here and just pop this off. And we can take this little cover off. All right, and here's our battery here. Another little slot here. Put it in here, pull the battery right out. I'll show you the battery. The battery is going to be, again, you can see the size. It's a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. Bottom goes in first. It just goes right back in there. Now, if you need a battery, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon and you get a battery. But this cover here, it just pops right back on. So you just line up these little tabs here, snap it back on. Now the back cover can only go on one way. Okay, Mazda sign facing up. Okay, it has this little foot right here that'll only go in this hole right here. Okay, stick it back on here. Start at the top, squish it down, and click it in, and you're all done. Okay, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.